In this video, we're going to go through another circle theorem. This circle theorem says that whenever we have a quadrilateral inside a circle and the corners touch the circle, it is called a cyclic quadrilateral. So, for example, if we take this quadrilateral here, B, A, D, and C are all corners of a cyclic quadrilateral, and it's a cyclic quadrilateral because they all touch the circle. And this circle theorem says that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. So let's write that down, that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. So we can say that the angle at ADC is opposite to 116 degrees. So we just do 180 degrees minus 116 degrees. Borrow 1 from 8, so we get 7 like so. And then we get 10 minus 6, which is 4. 7 minus 1, which is 6. So we can say that the angle at the circumference here is 64 degrees. And we know a well-known circle theorem that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So we can say 64 times 2 is 128. So we can say angle X is 128 degrees, and all my reasons are clearly stated. Here's a question for you to try. Pause the video, and when you're done, you can watch my work solution. Welcome back. So again, we have another cyclic quadrilateral. So let's mark in the points. So this time, points B, A, D, and C all touch the circle, so we call that a cyclic quadrilateral. So we can say that this is the angle here, BAD, and the angle BCD are opposite to each other, and they must add up to 180. Well, we can work out angle BAD because it's the angle at the circumference, and we know the angle at the center is 86. So we're going to do 86 divided by 2, which is going to give me 43 degrees. And the reason what we're going to write down is that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. That's the first part done. So angle BAD is 43 degrees, and I've already stated my reason. And then we can say that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, so the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. So now we can just do 180 degrees minus 43. So we get 10 minus 3, which is 7. 7 minus 4, which is 3. And we get 1 on its own. So we get 137. So the answer is 137 degrees.